Today we're going to talk about robot traders. We understand that everyone wants to make easy money trading securities. Every day you probably search for that perfect system or that perfect robot trader that's going to do that for you, to be your holy grail of trading. Most of us would love for trading to be just as simple as the rest of our life. Just plug and play, let the computer take care of everything. So why does robot trading really appeal to us? Fear is one reason. It's fear that keeps us from trading to begin with. It's fear that makes us stay in a bad trade too long. Fear that makes us get out of a good trade too fast, or maybe even not fast enough. If the robot was doing the trading, you wouldn't have to worry about fear. It would take care of everything for you. Greed is another reason a robot trader appeals to us. We all want to make more money. We all want to be successful trading. Let our money make money while we do something else. Skill. It takes skill to be a good trader. It takes time and practice. If you could find a shortcut like a robot trader that had that built in, you wouldn't have to take the time developing your trading skills. You wouldn't have to learn how the markets work. Your computer would do everything for you and you could just collect the money. Need some other reasons why robot trading appeals to us? It's because most of us are lazy. We're too lazy to take the time to learn how to do something the right way. Trading's not easy. Learning the markets is not easy. It does take some work, it takes some skill, and it takes repetition. With a robot trader, you don't have to do anything. Just install it on your computer, press the button, and let it go. Hope. We truly want to believe that robot traders work. We want to believe the hype behind them. We have hope that they will work. But the question is, do robot traders work? And are they safe to trade your account? One very important thing that you need to understand about most trading robots is that they are optimized. Being optimized means that they are designed to work through backtesting. The programmer creates a robot trader, then they run it against old market data. From that, they'll make changes to the way the robot trader changes to make it successful on the past data. The problem with that is the way the market was trading, not necessarily the way the market will trade in the future. An over-optimized trading robot will absolutely kill your account. If they say that it's trading at 90% probability or even 70% probability, don't even look at it. I can assure you it will probably kill your account. To give you an idea of what I mean by optimized, let's say that I ask you to flip a coin 100 times and tell me how many times heads came up and how many times tails came up. And no, it will not be 50%, I promise. And then I tell you I want you to bet your life savings on the next 100 flips that it will come out exactly the same. That's an oversimplification of optimization, but that's what I'm talking about. Another thing you need to remember is that trading is a zero-sum game. That means for every winner there must also be a loser. So if there were a robot trader that was successful, other traders would begin to change the way they trade to take advantage of that. In addition, other robot traders would be made to take advantage of the way the successful robot trader was trading. In essence, the more successful your robot trader was, the more likely that other robot traders or traders would be out there trying to take advantage of it over time. Maybe that's why markets change to begin with. Ask yourself this. If someone did make a robot trader that really worked, why would they sell it to you? Wouldn't they make a lot more money just letting it trade their accounts? So why would there ever be a successful long-term robot trader for sale that costs less than $1 million? I promise large trading institutions have millions invested in their automated trading programs. You're not going to get one for $49.95. Over the years, we have tested many robot traders, primarily for the same reasons we said at the beginning of why would someone want one. We wanted an easy, click-the-button money-making machine. We did find some that we had some success with trading Forex. However, most of those used a martingale system that can wipe your account in the blink of an eye when it does fail. A martingale system basically doubles up the trade every time it's losing believing that ultimately it will be right. It just got in too early. These are not good long-term trading programs. Essentially, it is like playing roulette and you bet on black and lose. So you double your money, bet on black again. If you lose again, you double your money, bet on black again. Your hope is that eventually a red is going to come up, and a red will eventually come up. However, how many consecutive losses when you're doubling each trade can you afford to take? For those of you say, but I virtually traded it and it worked. Well, first of all, we're happy that you did virtual trading. You should always do virtual trading on any new system, whether it's a robot trader or not. However, virtual trading does not give you the same feels and slippage as real trading, and slippage can be a real killer with a robot trader. Plus, some robot traders work for a while and then the market changes one day and all of a sudden they don't work anymore. If you've gotten overconfident with a robot trader, you could find yourself losing a lot of money in a hurry. Also be careful that your system is not using a martingale, because a martingale system can work very well right up until the point that it wipes your entire account. We had been trading a martingale system for a month and it was doing pretty well, and then in one day we lost the entire month's worth of profits. Thank goodness we'd put some limits on it so we didn't lose any equity, but that's what can happen with a martingale type system, and a lot of times, as we said, those will look very, very good right up until the point that they fall apart. So do not fall into that trap. The bottom line for us is we have no long-term faith in robot traders that are available to the general public. Yes, we know large institutions do a lot of computerized trading. However, they have spent millions on their robot traders and they continually monitor them. And even they have issues from time to time. Yes, we did have some success trading Forex, but it was a martingale system, which we absolutely do not recommend. We also had some success using a scalping robot trader. However, slippage and commissions eventually took their toll, and we determined that they also did not work for us. And why would someone sell you a robot trader that you can make millions of dollars with for $49.95? If you use a little bit of common sense when you think about robot traders, I think you will come to the right decision. We hope you have enjoyed our video on robot traders and hope they have helped answer some questions you might have and put you on the right path. Always do your own research, do not rely on others. If you want to know more about how we trade, please check out our website at tradeforprofits.com. You can also find our books on Amazon. If you like this video, please click the like button. The more likes we get, the more videos like this we'll post. Also, please subscribe to our channel. That makes a difference when we start looking at videos to make.